Satu-satunya yang efeknya void adalah mistake. Lain tadi semua voidable. This one, mistake, void. Why? Because the mistake happen between both parties. Dua-dua pihak silap. Mutual mistake, both parties make a mistake. Mistake in terms of what? A matter of fact. Fakta essential to the agreement. Fakta asas perjanjian. Dia silap tentang apa dia? For example, mistake as to the existence. Both parties tak tahu benda tu tak wujud rupanya. Or maybe benda tu dah mati. Contoh ni A agrees to buy from B a certain horse. But the horse was dead at the time of bargain. Masa kontrak sign agreement tu, dia buat agreement dekat tempat lain. And both parties did not know the fact that the horse was dead. Dia tak tahu the horse was dead at that time. So the agreement is void. Dia orang silap lah as to the existence of the subject matter. Okay, identity. Seorang fikir yang ni, seorang fikir yang ni. Silap identity. Void juga. Mistake as to the possibility of performing the contract. Dua-dua make mistake. They thought that the contract can be performed. Dia ingatkan kontrak tu boleh dilaksanakan. Rupanya tak boleh. Because of the subject matter sendiri. Bacalah kes ni. The parties thought that the contract can be done. Tapi rupanya tak boleh. They make a mistake about that. So the contract is void. So the effect void. Section 21. Kalau ada dah bayar deposit ke apa ke, you have to restore. Bayar balik, pulangkan balik. Restore ni maknanya pulangkan balik lah duit tu. Ataupun kalau you dah guna barang tu, kena compensate lah. Pulangkan balik lah nilai dia tu. Tapi kalau unilateral mistake, tadi mutual mistake kan? Dua-dua silap. Yes, void. Tapi kalau unilateral mistake, the contract is valid. Contohnya you salah beli barang lah. You seorang yang silap. In that case, the contract is still valid. Maknanya you tak boleh avoid the contract with the other party. Tak boleh lah nak cancel tiket tu. Sebab you kena berhati-hati to take reasonable care to ascertain what you are contracting about. You yang kena berhati-hati. Alright.